Sir, what's your name?
Michael McNamara.
So just be a minute, a bunch of people logged on with no names. Her name is somebody admitted under Zoom user. I'm gonna send you a request to unmute your device. Oh, I just muted you by mistake. Do it again. All right, ma'am, or what is your name?
Wilma Wilson.
Wilma Wilson. All right. Let me find you here. All right. All right, ma'am, so in the matter of Wilma Wilson versus Paul Wiley, let me let him in. All right, Mr. Wiley, if you could start your video and audio, please. There we go. In the matter of Wilma Wilson versus Paul Wiley, file number 22-50157UE. That matter has been dismissed. We had been adjourning to monitor payments. Evidently, we have compliance at this time, so it's dismissed. So thank you both. You have a good day.
Okay, could I ask one question real quick?
I probably don't have the answer for you, but go ahead.
It shows that I had another hearing on the 15th. I didn't know what that was for.
I don't either. Your notice of hearing should tell you what it's for.
I just seen it
don't have
online.
your. Oh,
It's okay.
okay. Hold on, Miss Cam, do you see if he's got another hearing?
I'm looking, Your Honor. It appears to be a show cause.
On a different file?
Same number, but not certain as to what. I would have to ask Ms. Sinkowitz.
Okay. Are you able to go ask her? Is she there?
Yes, she is. I'll be right back.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, I just admitted someone on an iPhone. I have a picture of a car door. Oh, there you are. Go ahead and unmute your device, sir, and let me know your name.
Dion Wilson.
All right, Mr. Wilson, hold on one second. All right, let me type your name in. All right, let me check one more person. I have one more unknown and make sure it's not Miss Folk, and then I'll call your case.
All right.
All right, I have somebody on a Samsung device I just admitted. Could you please unmute your device and let me know your name?
Christopher Neese.
All right, I'm gonna change your screen name, Mr. Neese,
Yes, ma'am.
and give us just a moment. So, Ms. Cam, were you able to find out any information?
I was, Your Honor. It appeared that it was a question from Becky to have it moved to the 15th, and so then it's dismissed.
All right, so Mr. Wiley, you're all set. You do not need to appear on the 15th, all right?
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you, Ms. Wilson. Thank you, Mr. Wiley.
Thank you.
All right, in the matter of Iona Folk versus Dion Wilson, file number 20-47450 DP. Mr. Wilson, that's been adjourned to September 15th, so it looks like payments are being made. So thank you.
I'm unable. I haven't made no. I made payments, but I'm unable to make payments right now. I'm just stating for the record because they suspended my Social Security, so I'm trying to get it back started right now.
Okay, so Ms. Cam, can you make a note of that on his file?
Yes, Your Honor, thank you.
All right, thank you, Mr. Wilson.
All right.
All right, Mr. Neese, in the matter of Ashley Rathbun versus Christopher Neese, file number 2016-43267 DP. Mr. Neese, we are here on a show cause. You're ordered to pay $180 a month in child support. You have an arrearage of $17,454.76. Almost double the amount needed for the Attorney General's office to charge you with the felony. The last payment we received was $16.25 on April 2nd of 2025. So Mr. Neese, do you understand that it's a crime to fail to pay child support to the very best of your ability?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that if you are found guilty or plead guilty, you could be facing up to 45 days in jail?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand
Yes, ma'am.
that you have a right to have an attorney represent you at this and all subsequent hearings?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you currently employed?
I'm going for an interview today at Discount Tire and then tomorrow at Cliff Buick for my interviews.
Okay, all right.
My interview today at Discount Tire is at 12 noon, and then tomorrow or Wednesday, I think, is at Cliff is at 9 a.m. Cliff Buick.
So I'm gonna adjourn this out to 9:15 at 8 a.m. to find out if you get employed. So 9:15 at 8 a.m. So that will be next week, all right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Yes, ma'am. You too. Thank you.
He has another case, Judge.
Huh?
He has another case.
Oh, Mr. Neese, hold on, you got another case. Let me
Yes,
see.
ma'am.
All right, in the matter of Jessica Curtis versus Christopher Neese, file number 24-51464 DP. That one's set over to September 22nd. So Mr. Neese, I'll set this one over to September 22nd too. That
Yes,
way
ma'am.
you're together. So September 22nd at 8 a.m.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Paper for the other one. I don't know why I didn't have paperwork for the other one. All right, so Mr. Jeff. All right, Mr. McNally, you want to come up to the podium? Let's see who this is. Yeah, and you can move the microphone up. You're taller than probably the last person that was standing there. All right, I just admitted someone on a Motorola device and asked you to unmute. Can you unmute your device and tell me your name, please?
My name is Anthony Markle. Can you hear me?
Yep. What's your last name?
Markle, M-A-R-E-C-L-E.
All right, there you go. I've got that. I'll be with you in just a minute, sir. All right,
Alrighty.
so let me find Mr. McNally. All right, in the matter of Shalisa McAnally versus Michael McAnally, file number 2013-39382DM. Mr. McAnally has appeared in person. Hold on, I got someone on the phone. Let's see what happened. I have somebody who's called in on a phone. Can I ask your name, please?
Sean Lofton.
All right, good morning, Mr. Lofton. I am going to change your name real quick. That's S-E-A-N?
S-H-A-U-N.
Oh, I'm sorry. All right, Mr. Lofton, bear with us for just a minute. I'm going to put you in the waiting room and then I'll bring you right back in. All right, so Mr. McNally states here that you ordered to pay $230 a month in child support. As of today's date, you have an arrearage of $10,571.98. This is your second show cause. We did receive a payment of $149.07 on May 7 of 2022. You did appear on April 20 or August 21. We discharged your warrant. You were supposed to bring a letter today from your attorney for workers' comp and to make some payments. So where do we stand?
I did contact my lawyer for the disability and the SSI. I'm going through Cooper and Vendor.
Did you get a letter?
I didn't get a letter. We did a bunch of paperwork and
Did you tell him I needed a letter?
I did. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I did forget to get
Okay.
that paperwork.
You could go to jail for forgetting to get the letter that I needed.
I know. I am
Okay.
so sorry.
So, and were you able to make any payments?
I do have a few dollars on me today. I can make a payment.
How much?
$25.
All right, why don't you go make that payment and come back up?
Where do I do that?
Front of the court in the garden level or the basement.
Okay.
All right, thank you. All right, let's see. Oh, what's your name?
Ryan Davis.
Ryan Davis?
Yes.
All right. All right, so in the matter of Courtney Ramel, this is a Judge Olsaver file versus Anthony, it's Markle? Is that how you
Yes,
pronounce
ma'am.
it? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
It looks like okay. A versus Anthony Markle, file number 22-50200 DC. This is a Judge Olsaver file, and it's been adjourned to October 27 at 8 a.m. All right.
All righty. Thank you so much, miss.
All right. Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you. Bye.
Ms. McGrain, is anybody logged into Judge Olsaver's Zoom?
The only people who were logged in have since been sent over to your court. I have no one logged in right now.
Okay. All right. All right. Are you logged into both?
Correct.
All right. Clever girl. All right. Okay. So, in the matter of, well, let's bring Sean Lofton back in. All right, in the matter of Jacqueline Garland versus Sean Lofton, file number 2009-33589 DP. Mr. Lofton, you must be making payments, so good job. And it's been adjourned to October 27 at 8 a.m. in front of Judge Olsaver, okay?
October 27th?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you, Mr. Lofton.
Yep, thank you.
All right, Mr. Love, if you want to go ahead and unmute your device for me, please.
Hello.
Good morning. So this is in the matter of Danielle Noss versus Terrell Love, file number 21-48224 DS. I do not, oh, there it is. Okay. So Mr. Love, it states here you're ordered to pay $360 a month in child support. You have an arrearage of $7,497.50. This is your fifth show cause. The last payment we received was July 29 in the amount of $360. So Mr. Love, are you currently employed?
No, but I just made a payment like probably like a week or two ago, like in August.
Mr. Anderson, could you verify an August payment, please?
So we actually just got one on the 3rd
for $360.
All right, very good, Mr. Love. So, obviously, as soon as you get employment, make sure that you notify the friend of the court, Mr. Anderson, and understand until an income withholding gets put in place, you need to make your payments online. So this is a Judge Olsaver file, so I'm going to set this out to October 6th for you to verify your employment. All right, Mr. Love?
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What did you say your name was again? Because I forget instantly.
Ryan Davis.
Okay. There you are. Why don't you come on up? All right, in the matter of Sarah Seeberger versus Ryan Davis, file number 23-51048DS. Mr. Davis is present, Ms. Seeberger is not present. Here we go. So Mr. Davis, this is a Judge Olsaver file. It states here that you're ordered to pay $894 a month in child support. Looks like this was originating back on March 20th of 25. Your arrearage as of today is $14,515.94. So do you understand, once you hit about 10,000, the Attorney General can charge you with a felony? Say it louder.
Okay.
Yes. All right. So, and that has a maximum penalty of up to 4 years in prison. So this is your fifth show cause. Let's see, on August 4, $4,975 was added for unpaid birthing expenses that Mr. Davis was required to reimburse. There's an income withholding in place. We got a payment of $244.25 back on August 27. Are you still working at the place you were working at when they calculated your child support at $894?
It's actually went up, and I'm working at inside out renovations, and then I'm paying $275 a week, so it's over $1,000 a month. I think.
Is it coming out of your check?
Yes, it is.
So you,
Every week.
do you have more than one child support case?
No.
Okay, so Ms. Cam, what's the weekly amount that's coming out of child support?
One moment. It is $244.25.
So he's making his payments?
Yes, he is, Your Honor.
So why are we here today?
The income withholding just took place on August 22nd.
But he's making his payments.
Yes.
So am I dismissing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Thank you.
So we'll dismiss this and good luck to you.
So do I have court at 10:30 this morning as well too?
Does he have a friend of the court referee hearing?
No, I thought I was being sued by Sarah.
Let me see. Is this an Olsaver file?
Yes.
Miss McGrain, did Judge Olsaver have a 10:30 this morning with Ryan Davis?
Judge, I don't have a copy of what was adjourned, but he can check in with the clerk's office.
Okay. Stop down at the end of the hall for the clerk's office. Judge Olsaver's docket was adjourned today. So if you did have a 10:30, it probably got adjourned. But if you go down to the end of the hall, across the elevator, ask them if they have notice of your next court date.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. All right. So in the matter of Michelle Say versus Julius Chase, file number 2006-30137 DP. That matter is adjourned to September 15. In the matter of Derek Dusso versus Jessica Dusso, file number 2006-30500 DM. That matter is adjourned to September 29. Oh, Mr. Anderson and Miss Cam, we also had a couple FOC pickups. I think it was Rachel Chauvin and Dwayne Harris. Do you know if somebody was bringing me paperwork?
Yes, Michelle Stevenson did.
Okay, is it, okay, do I check the whole one? In the matter of Javita Rojo versus Joshua Donald, file number 2008-33089 DP. That matter has been adjourned to September 29. In the matter of Tiffany Aceves versus Dennis Handshoe, file number 2009-33817 DS. That matter has been adjourned to September 15 at 8 a.m. In the matter of Kayla Forrest versus Blake Rinke, file number 2010-35508 DP. That matter has been adjourned to September 15. In the matter of Rachel Dusso versus Derek Dusso, file number 14-404960 DM. That matter has been adjourned to September 29. In the matter of Ashley LaFontaine versus Chad, I think it's LaFountain, file number 2014-40674 DM. Mr. LaFountain was ordered to appear. Ms. McGrain has verified he's neither in Judge Olsaver's Zoom waiting room or mine. So he was ordered to pay $262 a month in child support. As of today's date, his arrears just continue to go up, $11,675. I don't even know if we've had a payment from him. Is he still in prison, Jeff Anderson?
I don't believe so. No, he was out on the last hearing.
Okay, well, he's failed to appear. Do we know that he had notice for today? Yeah, because he was here in person, or?
Correct.
Okay, so I will issue a bench warrant for his arrest for failure to appear. And I'll set bond in the amount of 500 cash. Right, in the matter of Dakota Maxon versus Isidore Casares, file number 2018-45159 DS. That matter has been adjourned to September 15 at 8 a.m. Real quick. Joint, or Rhonda, you received the paperwork for Morris, right? Rhonda?
Yes, I did. I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. Yeah. And you should have just received the paperwork on the rest of them, Ms. Underwood. From Becky. Come back up. Hey, this is Judge Anselon. So I'm ready on Robert Morris, Rachel Chauvin.
So then who did you say the first one was?
Robert Morris.
Okay. Anybody else?
Rachel Chauvin, Michael Madrid, and I thought there was one more. Hold on. Nope, those three. So I'm ready on them.
Okay, we will start getting those ones in for you.
Awesome, thank you.
Here,
Bye. Okay, so you made your payment, right?
I did.
Okay.
It was only 20. She said there was a $7 charge to use my card. that would have put me in the hole. I wouldn't have had it to cover it. So I did make a $20 payment.
Okay. All right, so I'm gonna set this out 2 weeks and I need a letter from your attorney. There's no reason they won't write a letter.
I didn't ask. I'm so sorry.
Well, you have to be responsible for this. So I'm gonna adjourn this out to September 22nd.
Okay.
And I want a letter. If you bring the letter in to your caseworker, they can dismiss the show cause, all right?
Thank you.
All right, so September 22nd at 8 AM, okay?
22nd?
8 AM. Thank you.
Thank you.
Your Honor, what happened on an Anthony Ford?
Spell the last name.
Ford.
I don't know.
You haven't called the judge.
I,
It's Judge Olsavers.
it's a Judge Olsaver one. I haven't called those yet.
Oh, okay.
All right. Amanda Wood versus Stephen Wood, file number 20-47464 DM. That's been adjourned to September 15. David Shords versus Jessica Shords, file number 20-47465 DM has been adjourned to September 29. Linda Willett versus Derek Dusso, file number 22-49336 DS has been adjourned to September 29 at 8 AM. Brittany Coley versus Jamie Vanzo, file number 24-51483 DS has been adjourned to September 15 at 8 AM. Move on to Judge Olsaver's docket. Colleen Diaz versus John Diaz, file number 2012-37641 DM has been adjourned to October 6th. In the matter of Janelle Henley versus Juan Espinoza, file number 2006-29972 DP, that matter has been adjourned to October 6th. In the matter of Danielle Lewis versus Jonathan, it's either Hasso or Jaso, but I think it's Hasso because it's JASSO. Ms. Faye?
That's fine.
Is that fine?
Yes, Judge.
2008-33312 DS, October 6th at 8 AM. In the matter of Rosalind Reyes versus Anthony Ford, file number 1996-18024 DP. I don't have paperwork on that one. Does anybody know what happened with that one?
Adjourned to October 25th for Ms. Cam.
What do you have?
Ms. Cam said it was adjourned to October 25th.
I can't hear you,
That
but
was
can you
no.
show me?
Yeah, it was adjourned to October 25th. We received an email this morning.
Oh, that's been adjourned to October 25 at 8 AM. That's not a Monday, though.
That's what she had.
Who had Anthony Ford? Who's caseworker on that one?
I believe it was Tammy.
So October 25 is not a Monday. It's a Saturday. So I'm assuming they met October 27.
Yeah, correct.
Judge, I have
right.
that as October 22nd.
No.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I don't know why that's a Wednesday.
When do we want it adjourned to?
The 27th will probably work just fine.
Okay, we'll put it down for October 27 at,
Sorry, Your Honor. I did reschedule it to October 20th, late Friday.
okay, October 20th at 8 AM. So in the matter of Rosalinda Reyes versus Anthony Ford, October 20th at 8 AM. In the matter of Sarah Seeberger versus Ryan Davis, did we already do that?
Yeah, you did. You dismissed it.
I dismissed that one. Yeah, hopefully he didn't have to miss work to come in. All right. In the matter of Paige Toole versus Matthew Cadell, file number 17-44763 DP. Mr. Cadell was ordered to appear. He spelled. Hey, just a question. Do you know if Matthew Cadell is in custody?
Let me see what I got. What's the last name?
Cadell, Caddell.
Where? I don't think so.
No? Okay, thank you.
Yep. No problem.
All right. So, Mr. Cadell was ordered to appear. He's failed to do so. He's supposed to pay $574 a month in child support. As of today's date, he has an arrearage of $7,155.42. He hasn't made a voluntary payment since June of last year. I'm going to issue a bench warrant for his arrest for failure to appear, and I'm going to set bond in the amount of $3,000. All right, so that concludes, I believe, Judge Olsaver's FLC show cause docket. Let's see who this guy is. It's probably him. No, it's not. All right, Mr. LeBeau. You look like an attorney. What case are you coming in on?
I'm glad I look like one. I am here on the, well, I guess it'd be the Karn motion to approve settlement.
Okay, that's at 9 o'clock, so we'll be with you shortly.
Okay, very good.
Thank you. All right, so now I'm just waiting for the jail. Be right back, Rhonda. We'll wait for the jail. For Jones.
You said Angela, right? Yeah.
All right, can I ask your name to the person who just came into the jail room?
Rachel.
All right, hold on a second, let me get your paperwork. Ms. Underwood, there are 2 files on this one. So this is in the matter of Adam Rodriguez versus Rachel, and how do you pronounce your last name?
Chauvin.
Chauvin. File number 22-49335DS. And then I have, and on that file, you're ordered to pay $273 a month in child support. Your arrearage as of today's hearing is $9,872.12. The last payment we received was November 2nd of 2023. You appeared with Ms. Underwood on that file on August 11 of 25. An income withholding was issued and the show cause was adjourned to August 25. And you failed to appear and a bench warrant was issued. That's like the 4th or 5th bench warrant this year. And you haven't paid any money since November of 23 on that file. And then we have Rachel Chauvin, I'm not going to pronounce it right, I'm sorry, versus Brandon Waters, file number 14-40757DS. On that file, ma'am, you're ordered to pay $98 a month. You have an arrearage of $4,003.15. The last payment amount was $8.75 on November 2nd of 23. Ms. Underwood is present with you back on August 11 again. We had, let's see, an income withholding was issued and the matter was adjourned to August 25. We never received any money and you didn't show up and a bench warrant was issued. So Ms. Underwood, you formally represented her. So would you like a breakout room with her again?
Just briefly.
All right, Ms. Chauvin, obviously you are facing up to 90 days in jail if you plead guilty or are found guilty. So I'm going to open up a breakout room and assign you and Miss Underwood. And let me find you. What room are you in? You're in Illinois County Jail. Every room is named something different. So, yeah. All right, go ahead and join that breakout room. And Mr. Madrid, let me grab your file. So in the matter of Abigail Craig versus Michael Anthony Madrid Jr., file number 20-47630DS. Mr. Madrid, we are here on bench warrant pickup for failure to appear and failure to pay. States here you're ordered to pay $342 a month in child support. At the time of the original show cause, your balance was $15,773.50. That was back on, that's a typo, I'm assuming. I don't know whose file this is, but I'm assuming that's November 25 of 24.
Yeah, I believe that's what they meant.
Okay. As of today's date, your rearage is $19,195.30. You have 4 prior show causes. So, Mr. Madrid, you also failed to appear on July 14 of 2025. So you're facing a maximum penalty if you were to plead guilty or be found guilty of contempt of court of 93 days. And then failure to pay child support carries a maximum of up to 90 days in jail. So you are at the felony level for the Attorney General to charge you with a felony child support case. So Mr. Madrid, you do have a right to have an attorney represent you here today in all subsequent hearings. If you can't afford to hire one, you can appoint one at public expense. Would you like an attorney appointed to represent you?
Yes, please.
Okay, so Mr. Madrid, just bear with us for a moment. And Ms. Underwood is speaking to somebody else right now. So give us just a minute.
Ms. Angelo?
Yes.
My bond was $6,000 when I first came in here the other day. Can you run that by me? I don't understand how that works.
Well, when you failed to appear, a bench warrant got issued. So I don't have a name on this case. Whose case is this?
Abigail Craig.
Jeff?
Yeah, this is mine.
Is his bond, what is his bond on this one at the time of the bench warrant?
6,000.
It's because you failed to appear and hadn't made payments. So at the time, your bond was set at about half or a third, maybe.
So that's no 10%, I'm guessing?
I don't do 10%. I do whatever I think is appropriate.
I understand. See, the only mix-up I got was
hold on, you've asked for court-appointed counsel, so we're not going to talk about it anymore. 10% is for like a PR bond or, you know, like a bond such as that. That doesn't apply to front of the court. So let me close this breakout. Mr. Madrid, you asked for court-appointed counsel, so we're going to stop talking. So, and when Ms. Underwood is done with this client, we will, I'm going to put you in the waiting room, and when we're done with this one, I'll bring you back in. All right, so Ms. Underwood, have you had a chance to speak with your client?
Yes, I have.
How would you like to proceed?
Your Honor, Ms. Chauvin is working with a series of entities getting employment and housing.
She's working with who? Who is she working with?
Who are you working with, Rachel?
I'm at Share the Warmth right now with a deadline of next week to be removed from there. And then I'm also working through LEAC Housing Help, and I'm also working through Michigan Works as well as CMH for my mental health.
And she needs 2 weeks to get a paycheck actually from a job, Your Honor. She didn't understand the court date. She's asking for a 2-week extension, Your Honor. And then if she hasn't got her crap together, in her words, throw the book at her.
That's what I said. I would expect you to. I just need a little bit more time. All of my deadlines hit at the same time.
Okay, so this is a Judge Olsaver file. His next available is October 6th. So I will set this over to October 6th at 8 a.m. I'm gonna release you on a PR bond. Ms. Chauvin, you're running out of options, all right? If you don't, if you fail to appear and you don't stay in contact with your caseworker, understand that you're looking at a jail term or possibly a felony case. Do you understand?
I do understand that.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
You're all set.
Thanks.
All right, Ms. Underwood, Mr. Madrid has requested court-appointed counsel. So I'm going to open up a breakout room for you and Mr. Madrid. And Mr. Madrid is in Zoom 3. All right, Ms. Underwood and Mr. Madrid, go ahead and join that breakout room.
Well, from what I can tell.
All right, I'm gonna close that breakout room, Ms. Underwood. All right, Ms. Underwood, we are back with Mr. Madrid. How would you like to proceed?
Your Honor, I would ask the court to enter a not guilty plea on Mr. Madrid's behalf. Mr. Madrid has not only this child, but he has custody of an infant that he is a single parent to. Also, Mr. Madrid, I believe, has $1,000 at the jail that he can put on his child support, Your Honor. So I would ask that that be done and Mr. Madrid be given a PR bond and this matter either be dismissed or another day.
And I'll still come to my court hearings.
Okay, well, you didn't come to your court hearing,
I know.
so that's part of the reason. Mr. Madrid, listen to me. My husband had 5 kids and still made his child support payments. So I don't care how many babies you got at home, you still got to get a job and support them, do whatever. So, Mr. Madrid, you know, you can pay the $1,000 at the jail, but I'm going to enter a plea of not guilty. I'm going to set this over to October. Let me see when Judge Olsaver has his dates. October 27. I'm gonna set your bond at 10,000. Mr. Anderson, there's a way to get that from the jail, correct? Or $1,000, I mean, from the jail.
Correct.
All right, I'll set your bond at $1,000 and that can be paid through the jail. They know how to do that. And then I'll set it over to October 27 at 8 AM. And then when you come back, you need to have a job. You understand? Okay, so, and that's in front of Judge Olsaver. That's not my file. So, thank you.
Thank you.
You're all set. You can go. All right, so now we're waiting on Robert Morris, Miss Underwood.
And then do we have Dewan Harris?
Yeah, Becky, did we not get paperwork on Dewan Harris?
I'm sorry?
Yeah, I think I have that file already ready. Is it not here?
Oh, okay. Oh, is he in jail? I don't think I called for him.
He's a booking.
Oh, he's a booking. I got him. He was with the file with my other files, so. Hey, this is Judge Anslow. You guys also have Dewan Harris?
Yes, need him next.
I do, and him and Robert Morris.
Morris, okay, Morris should be upstairs for you already in the courtroom. We will get Harrison for you now.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye. I have jail Zoom 2 connected. If you're in there, unmute your device, start your video. All right, I have somebody at the jail. What's your name, please?
DeJuan Harris.
All right, Mr. Harris, hold on. 1 second. Okay, so this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus, no, that's not you. Go to the other one. This is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus DeJuan Pfeiffer Harris, file number 25-22314FH. Mr. Harris, we are here on a motion affidavit and bench warrant. It states here that it alleges that you were arrested and lodged on September 4 after Michigan State Police Rhino observed the defendant doing 3 hand-to-hand narcotic sales in Adrian. The search warrant was executed at his residence and oxycodone, fentanyl, possible M30 pills, and 2 guns were seized. So those are the allegations against you, Mr. Harris. This is a Judge Olsaver file. So basically what this comes down to is this would be a bond violation and not to have any illegal controlled substances, not to commit any crimes. So understand that contempt of court can carry up to 93 days in jail, but it also can impact the underlying bond on your case. Mr. Harris, were you by any chance arraigned on any new charges? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so Mr. Harris, I'm looking, who's your attorney? Let me look. I don't know who your PD was. Hold on.
Your Honor, it's Mr. Malero. I'm prepared to handle this morning.
All right. So, Mr. Harris, Mr. Malaro is your attorney on the underlying felony. I have Rhonda Underwood here who handles my contempt of courts and pickups. So, would you like her appointed to represent you today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, I'm going to assign, hold on a second, Rhonda Underwood to speak with you and go ahead and join that breakout room. You went automatically. Okay. So in the matter of Brittany Karn as personal representative for the estate of Cole Weber versus Matt Kester and Fremont Insurance. Well, oh, I guess I should have read front. Brittany Karn is personal representative for the estate of Cole Weber deceased versus Aisha Fox, personal representative for the estate of Robert Lee Fox deceased, and Anita M. Taylor, personal representative for the estate of Jaden Jesus Taylor deceased. Intervening plaintiffs, Nicole Hurley is personal representative of the estate of Ryan W. Shirley deceased. Intervening plaintiffs versus Matthew Allen Kester, Fremont Insurance Company, and Michigan Corporation, Progressive Michigan Insurance Company, a Michigan Corporation, and ESNL LLC. This is file number 24-7287, and I have Brandon, where are you at? Is it Abro or Abro?
Abro, Judge.
Abro, sorry. Appearing on behalf of Plaintiff Weber. I'm looking. I have, I don't know. Are you on this case, Mr. Flexter?
I am. I'm here for defendant Coaster.
Okay. And then Mr. LeBeau.
Good morning, Your Honor. Matt LeBeau on behalf of defendant Fremont.
All right. And Kay Smith is here. Any other attorneys that should be here today? No? All right, so this is the date and time set for a motion by plaintiff to approve settlement. So, Mr. Abro?
Yes, Judge. My client was just on, and I think it kicked her off.
Oh, no, I've got her back. She's back in my waiting room. Let me let her in. Here she comes. All right. Okay, Brittany Carn, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, excellent. All right, Mr. Ebro. Or who's ready to proceed?
I believe he's on mute.
Oh, you're muted, Mr. Ebro. I don't think you can hear us either. All right, I'm going to chat him because I don't think you can hear us. Oh, no, we lost him. All right, Mr. Ebro, you back?
Sorry about that, Judge. Can you hear me okay?
Yes, we can hear you.
Thank you very much, Judge. Today is plaintiff Brittany Carn on behalf of the estate of Cole Weber's motion to approve settlement and distribution of proceeds. Brittany Carn is here today. She was appointed by this court PR for purpose of having the letter of authority. And if the court can swear her in, we can take proofs.
All right, Ms. Carn, can you raise your right hand for me? Thank you. Do you solemnly swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, can you state your full name for the record, please?
Brittany.
All right, so you're kind of popping a little bit, so can you kind of sit closer? State your name again.
Brittany Lee Carn.
Excellent. Stay right there. Thank you, Mr. Ebro.
Thank you very much. Ms. Carter, is it true that you have been named personal representative of the estate?
Yes.
All right. And that is through your son. What is his name?
Colt Lee Weber.
Okay. And that is the biological son of Cole Weber?
Yes.
All right. You do understand that we have brought, obviously, a lawsuit with regards to this wrongful death claim, correct?
Yes.
All right. And you understand that we have reached a settlement for this accident?
Yes.
All right. You do understand there's been multiple parties involved, so there's multiple settlements or distribution of the available policy limits, correct?
Yes.
All right. And you've had an opportunity to review the motion?
Yes.
And you have also seen that your counsel or the estate's counsel has sent waiver and consents directed to all the members of the estate, correct?
Yes.
And are you okay with the distribution of the estate?
Yes.
All right. And we do have your son, Colt's proceeds, the bulk of the proceeds going to a structured settlement, correct?
Yes.
You had an opportunity to review the structured settlement and the plan for him for when he turns of age?
Yes.
Right. There is also one other minor, Braden Weber. You had an opportunity to view those documents.
Yes.
And do you believe this settlement is in the best interest of the estate?
Yes, sir.
You understand we could have gone to trial, received more or less or nothing at all?
Yes.
Judge, those are the questions I have. Thank you very much.
All right. Mr. LeBeau, any questions?
Just real quick, ma'am, you understand by settling this case that you've, on behalf of the estate, are releasing all claims against Fremont Insurance Company for uninsured and underinsured motorist benefits related to this motor vehicle accident?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Flexter.
Similar question, ma'am. You understand by accepting this, these settlement proceeds, you're waiving any and all future claims or any claims whatsoever against Matthew Coaster?
Yes.
That's all I have, Judge.
All right. Okay. Anything else, Mr. Ebro?
No, Judge, I did attach a guardian ad litem report. That's Exhibit C. I've attached the waiver consent form sent to all the estates for them to appear today. That has been attached as Exhibit B. And then our proposed order is attached as Exhibit D, outlining the distribution. But that is all.
Yep, I do have Exhibit D, and Mr. LeBeau, you've seen that exhibit and the order?
Yes, Your Honor. That, and I
Any
have no, I have no objection.
And Mr. Flexter?
No objections, Judge.
All right, very good. Well, I will sign that and grant your motion to approve the settlement.
Thank you, Judge.
Is there anything else we need to address on this file today?
That is all. I don't know if you want us to file. Oh, there's other co-plaintiffs that are be filing their motion to approve, so it wouldn't be closed today. So no, that's all. Thank you, Judge.
Okay, very good. All right, thank you all.
Thank you, Your Honor. Take care.
Take care.
You as well. All right, Ms. Underwood, let me bring Mr. Harris back. All right, we are back on the record with Mr. Harris. Ms. Underwood, how would you like to proceed today?
Your Honor, I would ask the court to enter a not guilty plea as to the bond violation in this matter. I believe when it comes down to it, this may ultimately end up being a case of who shot John. Not much to it, Your Honor. Mr. Harris.
Say that again, this may end up a case of what?
Be a case of who shot John. Nothing to it, Your Honor. But I would ask the court to plead Mr. Harris not guilty. And does Judge Olsaver have a docket on Wednesday, Your Honor?
I don't know. Ms. McGrain or Ms. Adams, did Judge Olsaver have a docket on Wednesday?
He is gone all week, Judge.
No, he does not. I can set it for next Wednesday.
Thank you, Your Honor. And as to the issue of bond, Your Honor, Mr. Harris has passed all his drug tests. He has appeared for court. I think the bond in this matter is excessive based on Mr. Harris's record for attending court, Your Honor. We would ask, considering he does have to wait a week, Your Honor, for the court to enter to grant a reduction in the bond, Your Honor.
So, Ms. Underwood, obviously, Mr. Harris isn't in front of me. Mr. Coast, he was testing with you, and any input?
Judge, he was testing clean, but the allegations are very serious. So I say we leave the bond alone and let Judge Olsaver deal with it next Wednesday.
So, Ms. Underwood, Mr. Harris has 2 counts of delivering manufactured less than 50 grams with a double penalty for controlled substance. So he's facing a maximum penalty of 40 years, or if we throw in the habitual offender 4th offense notice, he's looking at a sentence of life. And then his prior record, he has an armed robbery, a felony firearm, prisoner possession of a weapon, MDOP, and possession of methamphetamine. So, you know, these allegations are quite serious in light of the charges and also his prior records. So I am not going to reduce the bond at this time, and I will set this over to be reviewed by Judge Olsaver on October 17 at 8:15. I'll enter a plea of not guilty. You're all set, Mr. Harris.
Judge, do you mean September?
Oh, yeah, September 17th. Sorry about that. All right. So that would be September 17th. All right, you're all set, Mr. Harris.
Okay.
All right, Ms. Underwood, all we have left is Robert Scott Morris. So we're waiting on him.
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right, in the matter of Kristen Nicole Smith versus Brandon Keith Smith, file number 25-52379DS. I have Ashley Hanson Grimes appearing on behalf of the plaintiff and Daniel Lipsitz appearing on behalf of the defendant. This is the date and time scheduled for an objection to the front of the court. Hold on, I think I got an, oh, I see. I think I have an inmate walking in, so I gotta take care of that one if they pop
My client
in.
is appearing via Zoom. She should be in the waiting room now.
Oh, she's already in the room. Yep, I let her in. Miss Smith, you want to start your video and your audio? There you go. Thank you. And let me see if the jail's gonna bring. Oh, never mind. All right, sir, are you Mr. Morris?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is in the man, I missed him, he's wearing a dark shirt. Yeah, Mr. Morris, we are here today on, let's see, a motion affidavit and bench warrant for contempt of court for failure to appear for a pretrial in front of Judge Olsaver on September 3rd of 2025. So, Mr. Morris, I don't know, Ms. Underwood, are you on this one? I don't know who his attorney is. Mr. Morris, who is your attorney on your file?
I'm not sure.
Okay, Ms. Underwood.
Yes, I'll handle this, Your Honor.
All right, so Mr. Morris, failure to appear is a contempt of court and you could be facing up to 93 days in jail. So, Mr. Morris, would you like an attorney to represent you on the contempt of court?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Ms. Underwood, I'm gonna pop you in a breakout room with him. I'll give you a moment to talk. Go ahead and join that breakout room. I'm gonna go off live stream so I can start my family docket.